Question 1. Which state in India boasts the most extensive coastline? The correct option is answer B. Gujarat. Question 2. Who among the following is also known as the guardian of the public purse in India? The correct option is answer A. Controller and Auditor General. Question 3. Who appoints the Controller and Auditor General CAG of India? The correct option is answer C. President of India. Question 4. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the Controller and Auditor General in India? The correct option is answer A. Article 148. Question 5. What is the tenure of the Controller and Auditor General of India? The correct option is answer C. 6 years until the age of 65. Question 6. India is located in which region of Asia? The correct option is answer B. South Asia. Question 7. Which ocean lies to the south of India? The correct option is answer B. Indian Ocean. Question 8. What is India's position in terms of size in the Indian subcontinent? The correct option is answer C. Largest country. Question 9. Which of the following countries is not a part of the Indian subcontinent? The option is answer C. China. Question 10. Name the mountain range situated in the northern part of India. The option is answer B. Himalayan. Question 11. What is the name of the bay located to east of India? The correct option is option C. Bay of Bengal. Question 12. Which sea is located to the west of India? The correct option is answer B. Arabian Sea. Question 13. What is standard meridian of India? The correct option is answer C. 82° 30 east. Question 14. The standard meridian of India passing through which Indian state? The correct option is answer D. All of the above. Question 15. Why is the standard meridian of India chosen at 82° 30 east? The correct option is option D. All of the above. Question 16. The Indian Standard Time is calculated based on the longitude of which city? The correct option is answer B. Allahabad. Question 17. Which countries share the same standard time as India? The correct option is answer A. Sri Lanka. Question 18. The Indian Standard Meridian passing through how many Indian states? The correct option is answer C. 5 states. Question 19. Which ocean does the peninsular part of India extend towards? The correct option is option B, Indian Ocean. Question 20. What is the length of the coastline of the Indian mainland? The correct option is answer B, 6,100 kilometers. Question 21. What is the total length of the coastline, including the Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island? The correct option is answer C, 7,516.6 kilometers. Question 22. India's total area accounts for what percentage of the total geographical area of the world? The correct option is answer D, 2.4%. Question 23. What is the total area of India? The correct option is answer B, 32,87,263 square kilometer. Question 24. India ranks at which position in terms of largest countries in the world by area? The correct option is answer C, 7th. Question 25. India share the longest land border with which country? The correct option is answer D, Bangladesh. Question 26. What is the total length of the border shared between India and Bangladesh? The correct option is answer B, 4,096 kilometers. Question 27. Which type of border does India share with Bangladesh? The correct option is answer B, land. Question 28. Which Indian state shares the longest border with Bangladesh? The correct option is answer D, West Bengal. Question 29. How many Indian states shares the border with Bangladesh? The correct option is answer C, 5. Question 30. Which of the following rivers forms the part of the India-Bangladesh border, originates from South Tripura district and flows into Bangladesh? The correct option is answer D, Fani River.